Good morning, students. Very good morning. Today we shall discuss equations reducible to the linear form. बड़ा बड़ा इक्वेशन से हाउ कैन यू reducible to the linear form. ठीक है. How can solve this question? Okay. This type, what is this rational number type? x plus 1 by 2x plus 3 is equals to 3 by 8. Rational number type आ गया. How can we solve this type of questions? Yes, you can use this. Okay, cross multiply method. Cross multiply method like that. Cross multiply method. Okay, given here. Cross multiply method. Cross multiply. So how can it is come? Given x plus 1 by 2x plus 3 is equals to 3 by 8. X plus 1 cross multiply means 8 in bracket 8 multiply with x plus 1. So 8 in bracket x plus 1. Or understand? Yes. 3 in bracket 2x plus 3. Or understand? Very easy. Now multiply 8x 8 into x 8x plus 8 into 1 8 is equals to 3 into 2x 6x plus 9. 3 into 3 9. Yes, 8x very easy देख लीजिए. This is simplest form. 8x minus 6x is equals to 9 minus 8. 2x is equals to 1. x is equals to 1 by 2. आ गए देख लीजिए. Easy है ना क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड? यस, वेरी इजी. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है? हियर वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. वर्ड प्रॉब्लम क्या है? प्रेजेंट एजेस ऑफ अनु एंड राजू आर इन द रेशियो 4:5. 8 years from now. 8 years from now means 8 years from now means after 8 years. The ratio of their ages will be 5:6. Find their present ages. Yes. Present ages of Anu and Raj are in the ratio. Ratio 4:5 means one number is 4x, second number is 5x. Are you know? Yes. Here present age. Anu present age. Anu present age. What are the present ages of the ratio 4:5? So अनु प्रेजेंट एज, अनुस प्रेजेंट एज क्या है? 4x. नेक्स्ट वन रॉस प्रेजेंट एज क्या है? 5x. अरे अंडरस्टैंड? यस. आफ्टर अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन आफ्टर 8 years, yes, after 8 years अनुस एज क्या है? आफ्टर 8 years मीन्स 4x plus 8. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका एज क्या है? 14 years है. आफ्टर 8 years क्या है? 14 plus 8 22. यस सर नो. हियर आफ्टर अनुस एज क्या है? 4x plus 8. रॉज एज क्या है? रॉज एज क्या है? 5x plus 8. After according to question 8 years from now the ratio of their ages, the ratio of their ages after 8 years. According to question you can write like that. According to question the ratio of their ages after 8 years. The ratio of their ages after 8 years क्या है? 5:6. So here after 8 years ratio क्या है? Very good. 4x plus 8 is to 5x plus 8 is equals to after 8 years अनुस एज क्या है? 4x plus 8. राजू एज क्या है? 5x plus 8. इसका रेशियो क्या है? 4x plus 8 is to 5x plus 8 is equals to क्या है? 5:6. 5:6. Are understand or not? Yes. You can write like that here according to question. Okay. As you like. 5:6. रेशियो का मीनिंग पता है ना? 4x plus 8 by 5x plus 8 is equals to 5/6. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड. यस सर नो. equation reducible to the linear form. How can we solve this? Cross multiplication method. You know, 6 in bracket 4x plus 8 is equals to 5 in bracket 5x plus 8. So 24x, yes or no, plus 48 is equals to 25x plus 40. So ठीक as like 24x minus 25x is equals to 40 minus 48. So 24x minus 25x minus x is equals to minus 8. Okay, so x is equals to क्या है 8, minus minus cancel, x is equals to 8. So now अनुस present age क्या है? अनुस present age क्या है 4x. So 4 into 8 4 जा क्या है 32 years. नेक्स्ट रॉज प्रेजेंट एज क्या है? रॉज प्रेजेंट एज क्या है 5x. सो 40 years. ओके, आर अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट? यस, वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज 2.6. एक्सरसाइज 2.6 में सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन देखिए. सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन, प्रेजेंट एजेस ऑफ Hari and Harry. Same. Hari and Harry. 5:7. Here क्या है? 5:7. Okay. After 4 years. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. 3:4. Find their present ages. Find their present ages. Yes. हरी present age क्या है? हरी present age क्या है? बताइए. 5x. Very good. Now here Harry present age क्या है? 7x. Nice. After 4 years from now 4 years from now means Hari age क्या है? Hari age 5x. Very good. 5x plus 4. After 4 years Hari age क्या है? Very good. 7x plus 4. According to question, the ratio of their ages after 4 years. After 4 years इसका एज क्या है? 5x plus 4 is to 7x plus 4 is equals to क्या है? 7x plus 4 is equals to 3:4. रेशियो का मीनिंग पता है ना? 5x plus 4 by 7x plus 4 is equals to 3/4. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करिए. 4 in bracket 5x plus 4 is equals to 3 in bracket 7x plus 4. Okay, so 20x plus 16 is equals to 21x plus 12. So 20x minus 21x is equals to 12 minus 16. So minus x is equals to minus 4. Minus cancel. X is equals to क्या है? 4. So हरी एज क्या है? हरी एज क्या है? 5x. So 20 years. ओके, हरी एज क्या है? हरी एज क्या है? 7x. So 7 4 जा 28 years. Are understand or not? Yes, very easy questions are there. Okay. नेक्स्ट क्या है? एक्सरसाइज 2.6 में और फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन देख लीजिए. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. 7y plus 4y plus 2 is equals to minus 4/3. Yes or no? See, very simple. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. 3 in bracket 7y plus 4 is equals to minus 4 in bracket y plus 2. 21y 3 into 7 21y plus 12 is equals to minus 4y minus 8. Okay, 21y plus 4y is equals to minus 8 minus 12. 25 y इज इक्वल टू -20, y इज इक्वल टू क्या है -20/25, 4 5 4 जा 5 5 जा, सो माइनस, सो y इज इक्वल टू -4/5. मोस्ट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. और एक क्वेश्चन है 2.6 में. लास्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है देख लीजिए, वेरी इजी है. 7th क्वेश्चन. द denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is yes or no, his numerator is increased by 17, and the denominator is decreased by 1. The number obtained is 3/2. Find a rational number. Very simple question is there. Very good. According to question, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. Denominator highest is greater than, greater than means denominator is highest is numerator by 8. So you can take, let us take numerator is equal to x. ओके, डिनोमिनेटर क्या है बताइए, डिनोमिनेटर क्या है, नोमिनेटर क्या है x, डिनोमिनेटर क्या है x plus 8. y डिनोमिनेटर इज ग्रेटर देन द नोमिनेटर बाय 8 है ना, सो नोमिनेटर x, डिनोमिनेटर क्या है x plus 8. सो हियर according to question okay, according to question, numerator increased by 17, means yes or no, numerator increased by 17 means add करना. denominator decreased by 1, denominator क्या है, denominator -1. numerator increased by 17 means add करना, denominator decreased by 1 means क्या है करना, माइनस करना. इज इक्वल टू obtained नंबर क्या है 3/2. ठीक है, दिस इज रूल. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, नोमिनेटर इंक्रीज्ड बाय 17, डिनोमिनेटर डिक्रीज्ड बाय 1. सो हियर नोमिनेटर क्या है यार x, सो x plus 17. डिनोमिनेटर क्या है yes x plus 8 minus 1 is equal to 3/2. So x plus 17 by x plus 7, 8 minus 1 7 is equal to 3/2. What? How can we solve? Cross multiplication method. So 2 in bracket x plus 17, yes or no, 2 in bracket x plus 17, 3 in bracket x plus 7, 2x plus 34 is equal to 3x plus 21. So 2x minus 3x is equal to 21 minus 34. So minus x is equal to क्या आ जाएगा, 34 है ना, so 3 है ना, 13. yes sir, no 13. So minus 13. So x is equal to 13. So rational number क्या है, rational number is numerator by denominator. Numerator क्या है x by x plus 8. x क्या है 13 by 13 plus 8 21. और अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट? 13 + 8 कितना? गलती लिखा क्या? 21, राइट।